In this demonstration, we will continue to finish entering a new inventory item. We'll pick up where we left off. We finished with the Quick Pick group. Now we're going to go up to the More Information. Here's where we can enter the vendor. You want to select the primary vendor which you order the item. We ordered this item from Micro Warehouse. If you have alternate vendors that you purchase from, click this button and you can add up to 4 other vendors. You can also enter in their UPC code or their alternate lookup. And lastly, you can enter in their order cost. For Micro Warehouse, we can enter their order cost if we know. This is what you currently pay your vendor for 1 unit of the item. It's the same as the average unit cost, $100. The Reorder Point is if you want to enter a quantity, if you want the point of sale to remind you when it's time to order more of the item. We will put a reorder point of 2. If you click the View All button, you can have different order points for different stores. The item number is suggested by the system, but it can be edited. I would always suggest to keep this the same number. The alternate lookup number is a value that can be used to quickly add the item to documents. We're going to leave that blank at this point. The unit of measure is the smallest quantity by which an item is sold or purchased. We're going to click each. You can have multiple units of measure set up if you want to, but for the Dell touchscreen monitor, we don't need to. The manufacturer is Dell. This can also be used to filter on reports. In the comments section, you can enter any pertinent item information not covered by another item field. With the Miscellaneous and Shipping Center, you can choose to print your tags. If you select this, it will include this item when printing your tags. For items that you do not tag, clear the checkbox. This will help prevent inadvertently printing the tags when the item is included on a document or in a list for which you are printing the tags. You can select to have the items reorder point temporarily ignored and alerted if the item is added to a purchase order or receiving voucher. This option can be used to remove seasonal or discontinued merchandise from your reorder reminders and reports. If you choose to use a serial number, then you will be prompted to enter serial numbers when this item is listed on documents. You can choose whether or not your sales can be calculated in commissions for your employees. You can also choose whether this item can be part of your rewards program. If you ship this item, you can enter your shipping specifications to use when shipping the item. Underneath the QuickBooks Options box, if you integrate with QuickBooks Financial, you can choose what fields that this item would go to for your cost of goods sold, your income account, and your asset account. To add the item to your mobile device, click the Sync to Mobile box in the More Info section. Once you're done filling out your item, click Save. Let's go back to our home page. That concludes our video on how to add an inventory item.
Thank you for watching my video. Please subscribe and click on the bell to be notified when I make another video about point of sale. Thank you, everybody.